Thanks to energy prices and sustainability concerns, more homeowners than ever are thinking about how they can heat and cool their homes more efficiently. And heat pumps have become the answer for many homeowners throughout the Finger Lakes. Heat pumps provide heating and cooling power using only electricity and work well even in the sub-freezing temperatures of New York. So say goodbye to oil and propane with a whole home heat pump heating and cooling system installed by the experts at Halco Energy. We also do geothermal heat pumps and solar PV installation. Call us today to learn more.